Welcome student to my channel Educare Maths and Science. Today I shall discuss the AP from ML Agrawal class 10 I.C.S.E board. Suppose this is the books 2025 and the discussion is continuation in 9.2. Okay, so let's start today. The sum is this is 7.2 actually. Okay, exercise 9.2. Now what's the sum? Different sum. Find the 12 term. Find the 12th term, okay, from the end, very important, from the end of the AP minus 2, this is minus 4, minus 6, that is minus 6, dot, this is minus 100. This is a question. Okay, this is a question. Clear? Find the 12th term from the end, from this first, this is the first, second, third, fourth, fifth, up to 12. Not here, from the end. Okay. Clear? So now first you have to write, let nth term is minus 100. No problem. Nth term, n minus 1, n minus 2 is okay. Now, what is the first term? This is a, always you calculate first term. What is the current difference? This is minus 4 minus of minus 2, that is minus 4 plus 2, that is minus 2. Okay, you get A, you get A and you get T. Now what's the general formula? General formula, this is Tn. Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Into D. Just put the value. You know the value of Tn term is minus 100. Minus 100. You know A is minus 2 plus, first you find out the n. D is minus 2. Okay. So this is minus 100. This is plus 2. That is n minus 1 into minus 2. This is minus 98. And this is minus 2. Clear? So this is n minus 1. This is cut. So this is actually 49. So what is the value of n? 49 plus 1, that is 50. Okay. Yes, 100 minus 100 belongs to a term and the last term is 50. 50 term. First clear. Clear. Clear? These are first term, second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term. But find the 12th term from the end. Let us say first, second, third, fourth, etc. So you don't know the value of 12th term. Let x be the 12th term from the last. Let x be the 12th term from the last term. From the last term. Anything. Suppose x. Last term is L. Suppose the last term, আমরা বলি last term L. Okay. Clear? Clear? So now this x is equal to same as, but here is plus. The formula is, this is plus, but here L minus n minus 1 into D. This is the difference of L is the last term komche. Last term common difference is subtracted. Here is the common difference you add. Here is the common difference you add. From here, the common difference is subtract. So for the last term is suppose L minus n minus 1 into D. Here is this is the n actually a plus n minus 1 into D. This is increasing plus. But from here to here, L is suppose x. From here, x is equal to, this is L minus, this is the first term plus, this is the last term minus, it's the same thing, minus 1D. This is thing. Okay, this is the first term you add it and this is the last term. So this is the subtraction. Clear? For that this. So you put the value. You know, L is the last term, that is minus 100 minus n minus n is the 12th term. So value, find the 12th term. So this is n. What is the value? This is the 12 minus 1 and d is minus 2. Okay. So what's calculation? This is minus 100. This is minus, this is 11 into into minus 2. So minus minus plus, minus 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 plus. So actually this is minus 100 minus minus plus 20. এটা একটু মুছে দিই প্লিজ। ওকে, is clear to or not? So this is 20 বের করলে 80, 80 so minus 78. Okay, minus 78 is clear. Just one thing is the new thing. In case of this is increasing in order, so the formula is a plus n minus 1 into d. But from the back, from the last, you just, this is the last term L minus n minus 1 into d. From here, just I repeat, from the starting that is a plus n minus 1 into d. From the last, L minus n minus 1 into d. That is the only difference. Here is the increasing 2, 4, 6 actually increasing, but here is the decreasing. Here is 2 plus 2, 4, 2 plus 2, 4. From here, so this formula use. From here, that is 6 minus 4. 6 minus 2. This is 4. So this is the minus. The common difference here is plus. From the last, the common difference is minus. Common difference is 6 minus 4. Is coming. Is clear? So from the first you add it. From the last you common difference subtract. So for that this is the plus, this is the minus. From just you put the value here. And the formula you have put here. This formula. And what is the value ultimate? So the 12th term of this is, 12th term is minus 78. The answer is coming. Find the 12th term. This is the my final 12th term is minus 78. From this. And the last, from the last. Okay. So this is the first term, second term, third term, fourth term. From here you start. What is the value of the 12th term? This is minus 78. From here, first term, second term. What is the common difference? Actually minus 2. Minus 2. So you just minus 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 plus. Actually minus 100. This is the minus 100. This is the from the last. This is the last term. What is the just before the term? So minus of minus 2. Actually 100 plus 2. So actually this is minus 98. Here is minus 9. In a decreasing order, what is the 12th term? This is minus 70. From here, okay, here is increase, here is decrease. Okay, so this is the way. Here is just minus of this. Here is plus of this. Here is plus. And here is minus. Clear? Understand? Okay. Thank you. For the next sum, I just do the next sum. Clear? Okay. This is 7.2. Okay. This is all from the M.L. Agrawal class 10 I.C.S.E. board. And this is actually 2025 edition supposed to be. And this is the 9.2. Clear? Now these are different terms. Sums number 8. Okay? Sums number 8. Find the sum. Find the sum of the two middle term. Find, very interesting sum. Find the sum. Very interesting. Find the sum of the of the of the two middlemost sum, middlemost most term of the following AP. Following AP. What is the AP series? Minus 4 by 3, comma, minus 1, comma, minus 2 by 3, dot, 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 dot. This is 4, 1 by 3. This is the AP series. This is the AP series. Last term is this. Clear? Find the sum of the two middlemost term of the following AP. This is the first term, this is the second term, this is the third term, and this is stop, dot, dot, stop. This is the last term. This is the last term. Suppose last term is nth. Last term, suppose nth term. This is 4, 1 by 3. That is 13 by 3. This is the nth term. Okay? And what is the first term? First term is minus 4 by 3. Now the common difference, D is equal to this minus 1 minus 1. Be careful. এইখানে যখন করবে calculation is be careful. In case of mathematics, if one part is wrong, total mass is wrong. This is very careful. যখনই তোমরা first time করবে, that is very careful. Repetition করে is nothing. Time is wasted. The first time you do the sum, that is very careful. So certain time you take. একটু ধীরে ধীরে, by slowly. Okay? But if there is a calculation wrong, total sum is wrong, bekar. All this thing is to be bogus. Okay? So now, the last term, this is this. A is the first term, D is the common div. Be careful. Minus 1, minus minus plus 4 by 3. So this is minus 3 plus 4 by 3. So this is 1 by 3. So D is 1 by 3. When the calculation, be careful. So now the Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. First to find out the int. What is the value of the n term? What is the number of n term actually? Find out the value of n. What is the total number of terms? First you calculate. So this is Tnth value is, Tnth value is this 13 by 3. First to calculate the n. A is minus 4 by 3 plus. Find the value of n. And D is 1 by 3. Okay? No problem. Clear? So here is 13. Be careful. 13 by 3 plus. This is minus. So here is plus. So this is 3. This is 13 plus 4. That is 17 by 3. And this is equal to n minus 1 into 1 by 3. This is also n minus 1 into 1 by 3. Now here, this is n minus 1 is equal to, this is 1 by 3. So this is 17 by 3 into just 3 is this. This is n minus 1. Okay? So this is 3 is cut. What is the value of n? N is actually, this 1 is up here. So 17 plus 1, 18. What is the total number of terms? Is the 18 term. Total term is 18. Total term is 18 term. Is clear? First you calculate the what is the total number of terms. Total number of terms is 18. So if there is a even, So even terms, the middlemost term is n by 2 1 and n by 2 plus 1 term. This is the term. This is a very important. Clear? So this is n by 2 is 18 by 2 ninth term, and this is 9 plus 1 10th term. Okay, 10th term. Clear? And now you calculate. এখানটা একটু আমি মুছছি এই জায়গাটা। Okay, the middlemost term is this. You know, find out the total number of term is 18. Total term is 80 term. Now middlemost term, that is actually even number, so n by 2 1 and n by 2 plus 2, that is 18 by 2 ninth আর একটা 10th. Okay, so t9 and t10. Okay, find the sum of this. Okay, so find the value of this. Find the value of this. So t9 means actually t9 means a plus 8d. t10 means a plus 9d. You know, if you add it, so a plus 8d plus a plus 9d, you get 2a plus 17d. This is the sum. This is the sum. Clear? So just put the value 2. What is the value of a? A is minus 4 by 3 plus. What is the value of d? Dটা আমরা মুছে ফেলেছি। Just calculate. This is minus 1. D is equal to minus 1 minus of minus 4 by 3. Minus 1 minus a plus 4 by 3. 3. This is minus 3 plus 4 by 3. This is minus, this is 1 by 3. D is 1 by 3. D is 1 by 3. So now this is minus 8 by 3 plus 17. 1 by d, this is this. So what is the LCM? 3. So minus 8 plus 17. Minus 8 plus 17, that is actually 9. 9 by 3. So 3. 9 by 3, that is the 3. What is the sum? Find the sum of the two middlemost term. Sum of the middlemost term. So Tn, T9, T10, this is the middlemost term. T9, that means you know a plus n minus 1 into d, that is actually a plus 8d. Okay, barbar আমি আর লিখছি না, I just not repeated this. A plus n minus 1 into d. So this a plus n is 9, 9 minus 1, 8d. So this also. So sum of this actually T9 plus T10. T9 means a plus 8d, T9 means a minus 9d. T9 a plus 8d, T10 a plus 9d. So a or a 2a, 9 8 17d. Just you put the value. What is the value of a? A is minus 4 by 3, right? 2 into minus 4 by 3 plus 17 into d is 1 by 3 minus 1. D is 1 by 3. So here is 1 by 3. Value of this. So 17 by 3. এটা যদি একটু বুঝতে অসুবিধা হয় আমি এখানটা করে দিচ্ছি। ওকে, নো প্রবলেম। এটা একটু হ্যাপাজার্ড হয়ে গেলে। ওকে, জাস্ট ক্লিয়ার দ্য সাম। ওকে, দিস ইজ T9 plus T10. This is the middlemost sum of these two terms. So T9 means a plus 8d and T10 means a plus 9d. Okay, no problem. A 2a plus 17d. Value put karo 2 into what is the value of this is minus 4 by 3 and this is 17. This is 1 by 3. Okay, so So this is minus, this is 8 by 3, and this is plus 17 by 3. The LCM 3, this is minus 8 plus 17. So that is actually 8 and 9, 17, 9. 9 by 3 cut, so 3. This is the answer. Find the sum of these two middlemost terms. Sum is 3. This is the answer. This is the answer. Okay? Clear? So if you just understand this, please share the channel, subscribe the channel. Thank you. Thank you, student. Thank you. Thank you.